We are going to explore and explain you the basics on how to use Metatrader 4. We'll be walking you through the fundamental feature of this tool that we believe is an optimal choice for those introducing into trading for the first time, as it is offered by the majority of brokerage firms.
First of all, you need a broker. Your first step is to choose a broker that provides the access to Metatrader 4. The broker we are currently using is Vantage, that gives us the access to Forex and stocks. And in the description you can find the link where you can also receive a 50% bonus on your first deposit and 10% on all your other deposit if you decide to open a live account.
Once you clicked on the link, you'll see the option to open a live account or demo account. This will direct you to a registration form where you need to enter your personal detail, and once done so, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. If you have decided to open a live account and you want to deposit funds, you can do that by going on Funds and click on it to see all the available deposit methods. Vantage supports a variety of deposit methods, including bank transfer, credit or debit card, and several e-wallets.
Once done, let's go back to the main menu and choose live account if you have deposited or demo account to trade with fake money. Click on open account. Now choose Metatrader 4, standard account, the currency you want and the leverage you want to trade with, and click on submit. You'll then receive an email with your credential as account number and password to access Metatrader 4. Now in order to access Metatrader 4, we need to download it by going on the download section. As you can see, you can download it for Windows, Mac, iPhone or Android, so download the version you need for your device.
Once installed, open it and click on File and log in to Trade Account. Insert your detail from the email received and choose the right server. Upon successfully logging in, you'll notice the bar in the lower right corner turn green, signifying a connection to the real-time price feed.
Now let's look at how to modify the chart option. Upon opening the platform, you'll notice my current setup displays a range bar chart with a green and black color scheme. The first adjustment I wish to make is changing the chart type to a candlestick chart, which can be achieved by either clicking directly on the chart, followed by the candlestick icon, or through the properties menu by right-clicking on the chart, selecting properties, common, and finally candlestick, followed by confirming with OK.
Similarly, altering the color scheme can be done by right-clicking on the chart, selecting properties, and then the color tab. These open up a list of elements and their respective colors, where you can select your preferences from the drop-down menu. My preference is a black background, white foreground, and red and green candles bordered in black. Feel free to experiment with this setting until you achieve the chart appearance you desire.
How can you identify the prevailing market price? There are several ways to determine the current trading price. One method involves simply looking at the price axis on the chart where the active trading price is highlighted. Otherwise, the market watch window can be employed as it displays both bid and ask prices for all the market listed. Should the window not be visible, click on the Market Watch button to make it appear.
An additional option involves showing the one-click trading buttons, enabling you to see the bid and asking price on each chart. Simply click on the small black arrow located in the top left corner of each chart to do this. If you need to hide this feature, click the arrow once more. Metatrader 4 provides a convenient feature that allows you to create chart templates, effectively preserving your customized chart setting. For instance, as you will notice in opening a new chart defaults the setting of the original state. To circumvent this, you can save your personalized setting by creating a template. Click on the chart where you have made adjustments, right-click, select template, and then save template. You can assign any name to this template. For this example, we will name it example.
When you open new charts in the future, you can simply apply your saved setting by right-clicking on the chart, selecting template, and then template you previously created. Instead, you can access the template menu through the button located in the quick bar at the top of the platform. Here is a quick tip. If you name your template default, Metatrader will use this setting for any other chart you open from that point forward. As an example, I'll save this chart setting as a new template name default, and when I open a new chart next time, it will automatically apply these settings.
To view the chart of a different market, you need the Market Watch window. This window displays a comprehensive list of all the markets available. Right-click on your chosen market and select the chart window to open its chart. If the market you are interested in is not listed, it might need to be added. For example, to include the S&P 500 in my list, I would right-click within the Market Watch window, select the symbol, then navigate through the market categories to show or hide any market of my choice. After finding and clicking on SP 500 under indices, I select Show, then Close. This would then add the SP 500 to my Market Watch window.
So how can you modify the time frame of a chart? This can be achieved by either right-clicking on the chart and navigating to time frames, then choosing the desired time frame, or you can utilize the time frame quick bar at the top of the platform for a faster switch. All it requires is clicking on the chart you want to adjust and then selecting the time frame button of your choice. And zooming in and out on the chart is also possible. This can be accomplished by either right-clicking on the chart and selecting either zoom in or zoom out. Or you can employ the zoom quick bar buttons located at the top of the platform.
Now let's look how to scroll back on the chart. Simply left click on the chart, hold, and drag it across to the scroll backwards. You may notice that the chart tends to snap back to the present time each time the current price alters. To disable this feature and facilitate uninterrupted scrolling, press the button Market with two axes and a small green play icon. To re-enable this feature, press the same button again.
Now let's explore into the use of drawing tools. Drawing tools can be accessed via the quick bar at the top of the platform. Select your desired tool and begin adding elements to your chart. Double-click on a drawing on the chart to display two small boxes on the either side of the drawing, allowing you to alter its settings. To delete a drawing, double-click it and then hit delete on your keyboard, or right-click and select delete. You can customize the quick bar by adding other drawings tool. This can be done by right-clicking on it and selecting Customize. Browse through the list and add your preferred tools to the quick bar. The same way you can remove any tool that you don't need.
The crosshair cursor is useful for measuring the price change between 2 points. Select it from the drawing tool quick bar, left-click on your chart and drag to the point you wish to measure. You'll be presented with 3 numbers. The first is the count of candles over which you have measured. The second is the pip, change to 1 decimal place. For instance, a display of 205 translates to a change of 20.5 pips. And the last number signifies the price where your cursor is positioned.
How can you add indicators to your chart? It's quite simple. Click on the chart to which you want to add an indicator, then navigate to Insert at the top of the platform, followed by Indicators. You will be presented with a list of different indicators that can be added to your charts. To alter the setting of an indicator or remove it from your chart, right-click on the chart and navigate to Indicator List. Then select the indicator you want to modify and either edit the setting or delete it entirely from the chart.
Chart resizing can be done by dragging any of its sides or corners to achieve the desired size. Metatrader has an inbuilt feature to organize the chart for you. Simply go to the Windows menu at the top of the platform and choose from the option available: Tile Windows, Cascade Windows, Tile Horizontally or Tile Vertically. You will be noticing a tag along the bottom of the chart window for each open chart window. When viewing chart in full screen, you can switch between the chart window using these tabs.
Now let's initiate a trade. You can begin a trade by clicking on the New Order button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. A small dialog box will appear, prompting for further details about the position you wish to open. Select the desired market from the drop-down, establish the position size in the volume box, set take profit level and stop level if desired. And finally, choose the order type. Click on Buy or Sell to execute the order.
Quick trading is also possible using the one-click trade button. To enable this, navigate to Tools and to the quick bar at the top of the platform, select Options, select Trade and check the box for the one-click trading. Agree to the terms and press OK. The button will then appear on your chart. To utilize them, simply input the position size in a small box and click either Buy or Sell, and your trade will be executed immediately.
All active trades will be displayed in the terminal window at the bottom of your platform. If the window is invisible, press the terminal button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. Then click on the Trade tab in the terminal window and your active trades will be displayed.
You can instantly close a trade by clicking the small cross at the far right side of the trade entry in the terminal window. Trades can also be closed by setting a stop loss level or a take profit level. To add or modify this level, double click on the trade entry in the terminal window and a dialog box will appear. Simply input the desired level for each and click Modify. These levels will be then displayed on your chart.
You can view your past trades by clicking on the Account History tab in the terminal window. This will display the order number, time, date, trade direction, position size, traded market, entry price, stop loss level and take profit level, date and time you close the position, the closing price, any swap adjustment and the profit loss for the trade.
And that concludes this video on how to use a charting platform. We really hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated.
And if you have any questions or want us to cover any other topics in the future videos, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and we wish you a successful trading week.